This is a three-story elevator at American Eagle Outfitters. Weird. Ooh, uh-oh. Let's get your cat view. Unfortunately though, this is not like Queen's Center. Capacity on this is 2,100. 150 feet per minute, that is. Push my phone.